Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about electronics repair. Has expansion possibilities are there. This business is similar to computer repair business, but you will take on all sorts of electronic equipment besides just computers. With smaller electronics, you will need to be prepared to have customers bring their repair projects to you, as you would have difficulty recovering the cost of driving around picking up broken equipment and returning it. You may also want to encourage people to give you their old electronics so you can use them for parts. Likewise, electronics repairing is also a very booming services now, because nowadays in every home, not only computer and electronics repairs means all will be TV repair, and on your charger also. One charger is damaged means by battery it is damaged, or by connections are damaged, so many will be there. So chargers, batteries and electronic equipment means TVs and remotes also certain times. And so many are there. In solar lights also there. Especially solar lights will give very good light continuously. Once in that also battery will be there. Once if you are putting for sunlight, one solar light means it will be charged. By that charging, lithium charging, you will get the light. Sometimes what will happen is for 100 days or 200 days, by frequent using, that lithium battery will be drying out. So the time will be out. So that time lithium battery is replaced. That electronic solar charging battery charging light will work successfully. That time you need not change the complete equipment, only changing that lithium battery it will work. Likewise, so many services are there. Electronics repairing is also very booting, very good booting services. These are public also can utilize all these services. Generally, electronics repair centers will be there in a good centers. In those centers, we should go there and submit them about your solar charging lights, general charging lights, and power equipments. Anything is there, and sometimes your electronic stoves also, and TV repairing also will be done by those electronic repair centers. So all these, once damaged means it is not go to immediate replacement and purchasing a new thing. Let it come for a certain time. So after that it is better to go for repairs, and after that repair it is better to reuse again. Because always new models are coming in TV. Suppose TV repair is there, immediately replacing the TV and purchasing another one is not good, because for the time being always new models are coming in new TVs also. In olden days only one cable and one cable service will be there, and power on it will come. For the time being nowadays, internet servicing, USB holdings and Wi-Fi holdings, all these are coming, and nowadays set-up boxes with Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi routers are using. In future, those set-up boxes and Wi-Fi routers also will come in TV itself. Likewise, also it will come. So always, if changes are coming, it will be updated in TVs also. So that time you will lose so much of getting a new TV. So if old one is there, let it be used and repair it and use it. Finally, one day it will not be useful anywhere. That time, anyway, that time you can purchase a new TV that will be useful to you, and it is a satisfactory thing to you also. That time you can get a new model TV also. So not only electronics, TV electronics, and so many chargers also you can go for a repairing center and utilize your time, spend your time in your leisure time to submit your chargers, solar chargers or charging lights, everything to the electronic repair shop and give them and take afterwards on a couple of days. Then it will be useful to you. Your equipment will come a so long time, and it is a satisfactory thing to you. You can save very good money also. That money you can use for another thing in another way, in a prosperous way. By that you can utilize your time, money also very well. Wishing you all the best.